Hello, it's Joel Hawk from MarineMax. Today we're looking at a 2020 Harris 250 Solstice. This does come with a haul-right trailer. Nice stainless steel ladder. You got the safety rails in the back with the ski bar. It is powered by a Mercury 350. Currently has under 30 hours. Nice sun lounger. You also can position that to face backwards while on the way. Dual helm. Nice IMRAD screen. It is powered with a JL audio, amp, and sub. Plenty of room, nice cup holders. Come and see us, Joel Hawk from MarineMax. Thank you.